Hey everyone, now transform your video into any language with Filmora's lip sync feature. One of the most versatile tools that can translate the audio and match your lip movement in a selected language. Let's explore this tool in Filmora. AI translation lip sync is a super cool technology that syncs translated audio with lifelike lip movements in a video. It analyzes and mimics the original speaker's lip movements to create animated lips that match the new audio. This nifty tech helps break down language barriers in videos and makes dubbed content more engaging and natural for viewers. The benefits of AI translation lip sync include AI-driven translation and lip sync technology can be faster and more cost-effective than traditional methods, enabling businesses to expand into additional languages more rapidly. AI translation for lip sync can achieve highly accurate localization that sounds natural. AI translation lip sync can detect emotional cues in voice tracks and songs, adjusting mouth movements to match the emotion. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. First, launch Filmora and import the footage that you want to translate. Then, place the clip on the timeline. As you can see, this footage is in English.
Tomorrow, and in 6 months, have 20 million subscribers.
And we can translate it into any other language very easily with Filmora. Right? Click on your footage, select AI translation, and the translation setting window will pop up. In translation type, you will get two options. One is translate voice and caption, and the second one is only translate caption. Select translate voice and caption, then select the current audio language from the source language drop-down list. You will get 20+ languages. We will keep it on English, then select the target language, find out the language you want to translate and select it. Then, disable the detect speakers option as we have only one person in the video. Then make sure the lip sync option is selected. At the final set, click on Translate and leave the rest of the work to AI. It will take some time and AI will place the lip sync footage on track 2 with subtitles.
मैं कल एक नया चैनल शुरू कर सकता हूं और 6 महीने में 20 मिलियन ग्राहक हैं.
Export your footage and increase your footage reach globally. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and explore the world of possibilities. If you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more awesome Filmora tutorials. See you in the next video.